Hello everyone, it's Ben from Oaktree here, and today I'll be walking around this absolutely stunning Burstner Elegance i810. It's on a 2015 registration, beautiful condition inside and out. It's finished in the lovely gold style paint, really is got to be seen in person. Immaculate van, got diamond cut alloy wheels. It's on the twin axle too, wind out awning up top, electric entrance step. You've got a external additional security lock there on the habitation door and the rear garage. Huge garage space inside. You've got your freshly cleaned rolled up carpets. At the back you've got a tow bar and reversing camera up top. I don't know if you can see as well, it's almost like a metallic style gold. It just really flecks nice in the sun. Obviously German built Burstner, so high quality, fully winterized. The magic in this motorhome is truly inside. Beautiful lighting all the way around the interior here. Really nice big van as well, perfect family vehicle. Pass through the kitchen, we'll start at the rear. So you've got your twin singles over the garage with the infill cushion there as well. Skylight above. And then you've got your washroom here. Now this door slides and fully separates off your rear, so you always got like an ensuite here with your bathroom, separate shower, nice big washroom here with your wash basin, electric flush cassette toilet. Funny enough, this motorhome was actually one of our previous long-time customers, Tony, an amazing chap, and he takes care of, you know, all the motorhomes he's had off us. He's had loads from us. This was his beauty. So it's been really well looked after and serviced and maintained by us. Into your kitchen, full appliance kitchen. You've got your 3-burner gas hob. Got your cooking extractor fan here. Kitchen sink and drainer. And you've got your oven grill. Fridge freezer. Into your front lounge, you've got the L-shaped lounge, sofa opposite, all nice high quality leather style upholstery as well, additional seat belts. Then you've got your electric drop down bed up above the cab. You can see the pictures of that on our website. All the pictures of it drop down, the link for our website's in the description down below. Swivel seats in the cab, and then you've got an automatic transmission, all of your digital Pioneer radio system with all your Bluetooth, media functions, full air conditioning, cruise control, blackout blinds for all of your cab windows. As I say, a beautiful motorhome, really is. So if you'd like any further details, feel free to give us a call. Our website link, phone number is in the description down below.